Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to remove and replace the rear bumper on a Toyota Prius second generation. So it will be the same procedure from 2004 all the way until 2009. Stay with us to see how we're gonna do that, and don't forget to subscribe for about 5 new videos every week. Okay, what you're gonna need is a 10mm wrench, you need a flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Now right here on the bottom you have one bolt. It's kind of like screw with a 10mm socket that you need to remove. This is on the right side. Okay, right here on the bottom on the right side you have one nut that you take off by hand pretty much. It's a plastic nut right there. So you take this one off, and then right here we have one clip that we already got loose, so we save you some time, but you use a screwdriver and pliers to remove the middle piece out and then pull the whole clip. Okay, you need to get a screwdriver in the clip and pull the center piece out a little bit, and then with the pliers you grab the center piece and the whole clip comes out. Now you have right there, you have one bolt that you need to remove with a 10mm wrench or socket. That's the one that's holding to the cover right there. So you just remove this one. And now we need to go on the left side, and in the fender well right here we need to remove that screw again with a 10mm socket. It's identical as the one on the passenger side. The next thing that we will need to do after that is we need to open the hatch door right here, and there is two more screws, one in this corner with a Phillips screwdriver that we will need to remove, and there is one identical like that on the left side of the vehicle as well. Now right here in that hole that's towards the fender well, you see the tire, there is one more clip on the left side, and you need to remove this one, and there is one on the right side as well right here, so we need to remove this one too. Okay, and now right there next to that clip there is one screw with a Phillips screwdriver or a 10mm socket that you can get, so we need to remove this one. And towards the back, okay, there is a tire, there is one more clip that we will need to remove right there. This is on the left side. Okay, now right there on the right side we have that screw with the Phillips screwdriver we need to remove. We need to remove the one that's on the back. Sometimes they get really stuck because dirt and water and mud and everything goes inside of them, so we have to kind of like get them loose with the screwdriver so you can pull them with the pliers after that. Okay, and we got it loose. This one, see all the mud that came out of it broke a little bit, so we will need to replace it. And now what you need to do, you need to come on the side and pull. There is clips holding it right there, so you need to pull like that. And now you need to go on the left side, on the driver's side, and again just pull like that. It's tight. And now you need to pull towards the back because it goes under the tail lights. And this is the bumper cover right there. So that's how you remove it and replace the bumper cover on a Toyota Prius second generation. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you guys for watching us. Please don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.